Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iCloud storage is full on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and turned on your backup on iCloud and your storage is full, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your settings and guys, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, open your Apple ID. And guys, after this, you can see here the option that is iCloud. So guys, simply you need to click on it. And guys, you can see here the option of iCloud storage. So guys, now you can see here my iCloud storage has goes to full. So guys, now you need to click on manage account storage. So guys, simply when you click on it, and guys, you will see that at what side your storage will be full. So guys, simply now you can see here most of the storage is off backup. So guys, simply you need to click on that topic in which your storage will be full. So guys, simply you need to click on iPhone, and guys, you can see this type of interface. You can see here simply you need to scroll it down, and guys, here is the option that is turn off and delete from iCloud. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys, your storage will be deleted. And guys, after this, you need to go back, and guys, here is the option that is iCloud backup. So guys, simply you need to turn off this in your iPhone. So guys, after turning off, your problem will be fixed. And so guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.